Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you are here. Real quickly, I just want to say thank you to all the channel members. Thank you to anybody who subscribes to the channel, and thank you to just anybody who comes in and even watches my knife, my EDC content. I appreciate it. Today is an unboxing from Kansept Knives. I do not know what it is. We're going to get into it together to see what it is. Let's just kind of jump into it. I'm going to use my little Amazon Balisong, razor knife, titanium. If I remember, I'll put a link in this. I try to remember to put a link to this in my unboxing descriptions, but if I forget, it's kind of hard to find when you search it, but it is at Amazon. Bear with me, kids. It's kind of taped in there. Guys, I have Kansept was kind enough to send this out to me to check out. As y'all know, I've got the Kansept Bevy, a little slip joint, and I've got my Kansept Bulldozer with my Damascus. That's a killer knife. And I think I've got a couple of other Kansepts. Well, in my pocket, I'm carrying my Devo Lush, OEM'd by Kansept. So anyways, I am going to be able to check out the Kansept Helix. Is it a Helix? H-E-L. I think it's the Helix. We'll see. We'll get into it together. But this is the Kansept. See, I don't know if y'all can read that, if that'll focus on that or not. H-E-L-L. But I think it's the Helix. Made in China. So we've got our little box here. In here you're going to have your cleaning cloth, warranty information, care instructions, things like that. Little troll candy. I love the way Kansept packages their knives. I know that doesn't matter, but I think this little kind of slip is pretty cool. I like it better than some of the pouches. And what we have here, guys, looks like a full-size knife. Looks like a button lock. And it is the Helix. It is the Helix, and I'm guessing, I don't know what the price is going to be on this knife, or is on this knife, but I will definitely link it. I think the blade is, we'll get into it and we'll look at it. Hold on. And this is just an unboxing. I will carry this knife, check it out, let you guys know what I think of it, give it a thorough review. Got a really aggressive backspacer. This is Micarta. Kind of smooth Micarta, not a lot of texture to it. Not slick, but definitely smooth. Looks like a button lock with a flipper tab. Yeah. Mikkel Willumsen, or Mikkel Willumsen, the Helix. This is in D2 and a button lock. Lock seems fine. Really unique grind on this. And a very, very comfortable grip. It looks unique, especially with that aggressive jimping. But it is really a comfortable knife. And it's got a very interesting grind. It's kind of like a drop point tanto. I don't know if you can see, but to me it looks like you've got a drop point, then a little belly there. Very sharp, tall, flat ground, steel liner. I'm assuming this is going to be on the budget side. Very nice button lock, snappy action, whether I light switch it, push button it. See if I can get my finger Yeah, so I can get in there. You kind of got to get low on the blade to middle finger flick it. But you can middle finger flick it if that's something you're into. However, I don't think you can front flip it. The flipper tab works really well. It's got a very interesting profile, very unique design. And I'm sure this is Mikkel Willumsen's input, since he is the designer. But if you look there, you'll notice that that's kind of a straight line. You know, it's kind of angular the way that they've got that blade set off there, the back of the blade. You've got T8, and I think that's T6 on the body. T6 on the body, T6 on the clip. Let's see how it goes in and out of pocket. Whoops. Sorry guys, trying to get my little... Goes in and out of pocket very, very well. That steel pocket clip goes down with absolutely no problem. I really like the clip. It is deep carry, truly deep carry. This Micarta is interesting. Very smooth on the Micarta, but this is a full-size knife, guys. Again, this is not a comparison or a video that's going to be a review, but this guy is bigger than my PM2. So I guess we can both agree that it's a full-size knife, the Helix. Smaller than the 4MAX Elite, but a handful, guys. You've got this back grip, which is very comfortable. Then you've got this forward choil, which is, to me, the grip. Very, very comfortable. Got a really nicely done sharpening choil. So you're not going to have any problem there. Again, a D2 black wash blade. Let's try to fetch a piece of paper out of here. Very slicey, guys. So the grind on it's thin. So far, so good. I'm impressed with the performance. I'm sure this will shred cardboard, and I will cut through a bunch, and we will cut through some on the review together. But it is just a slicer, guys. Thin blade stock, really thin behind the edge. And that button lock, I have absolutely no button stick at all. Zero. Not really feeling the reverse flick. You've got to get pretty low on it to make it happen. Low on the knife. I mean, it's, again, you don't have to throw it out there. You just got to be low on the blade. I have a hard time right here overcoming the tension, or the detent, I guess you'd say, because it does have pretty snappy detent. Zero detent lash. Nice package, guys. Let me know what y'all think about it. I will carry it. I will love on it. We will do a review. Let you guys know what I think about the Kansept Helix by Mikkel Willumsen, or Mikkel Willumsen. Very, very nice shape. I love the shape of the blade. I love the jimping on the spine, as well as on this back spacer. I think that is very, very cool. I don't know why, but I do. And it's not at all uncomfortable, but it feels good. It feels like a grippy knife. I'm really interested to let you guys know what I think about it. Carry it, hang out with it. We'll talk about it, and we'll give it away on a Friday Night Flicks in the future. But anyways, guys, thank you for taking the time to watch the video. If you're so inclined, and if you hadn't had a chance yet, if you would hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it would help me out hugely. But most importantly, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.